Hey folks, 99 here. I'm back with another video out here at the Hilltop Orchard / Hilltop Citrus. I think if you remember the last time I talked about the area, I got the orange and citrus lemon area over to the left side, and I've been attempting to make the right side more avocado, but that's still been a challenge trying to get some of these trees to grow. So I showed you the Fuerte avocado on this side, which I bought. I bought those in a set of 3, pretty much 2 Fuerte and 1 Reed avocado, which was one of the 2 up top that did not make it. But the Fuerte avocado tree is still doing pretty decent, and it's actually growing. It's got some new growth, some new leaves, and got a little brown. I don't know what this means when the tips turn brown, but it's got plenty of healthy leaves on it and new growth leaves. So that one, out of the 3 tree set, is doing pretty decent. So I got a couple of holes that are, and one up there pre-dug for 2 of the new trees. So for the first time, what I did was those 2 trees that died, I actually returned them. Just took the bucket back with the dead trunk of the tree and returned it. And for some reason, the little young lady there kind of had an attitude about that. But I'm like, oh well, you guys said it's 1 year, they'll last for a year, so I took it back. So, but the thing about it is, they only had Fuerte trees left, so I have the Fuertes, 2 of those that are going to go in. And so here's my question for someone that might have a little more experience with the avocado varieties. These 2 right here are avocados that I planted from seed. So those are Haas avocados that came from seed, and I had them in the house, and I just recently transplanted them into these pots here. I just keep the pots after I buy plants and trees, but I transplanted those seeds, up potted them, I guess you could say, to grow a little larger outside. But I know that the Fuerte avocado trees have to have an A variety for fertilization. So the Fuerte avocados are B varieties, and Haas avocados are A varieties. But the question that I have is, I know that avocados don't grow true to the mother. So if an avocado seed is growing, whether it will grow true to the mother or not, will it still be an A variety to be able to fertilize the B variety Fuerte avocados, if they even make it? So that's my question, if anybody knows anything about that. So I'm going to put these 2 in the holes up there, and I'll check back in a few, and we can see how that looks. All right, folks, it's been about 20 minutes later, and the Fuerte avocado trees are in the ground. So we got the first one that's over there, and then the second one here. Make our way up the hill, and then there's the third one. So we're going to give it another try, and just on the way back down the hill, I'll show the soil amendment that I use to try to make the ground a little bit more fertile, or more nutrients, I should say, for the trees. See that focus there, Fuerte avocado, and that is my favorite. So one way or another, we're gonna have some Fuerte avocados growing around this camp, and hopefully we can make that happen up here on the hill at Hilltop Orchard. Thanks for watching, folks. Let me know what you think. Later. Oh, forgot. Please respect the working class. We get it done. You saw it. Before I go, this is the soil amendment that I use when I plant all of my citrus trees, and now I'm using them for the avocado tree. So this is a brand from the Home Depot. It's Gardener's chicken manure. All-purpose soil amendment adds organic matter to your soil and loosens heavy soil. And this soil here, from what I understand, they call it decomposed granite. So it doesn't, I don't believe it has a lot of nutrients. And you can see that mountain up there is probably 80%, 70% rock. So I can imagine when these homes were built, a lot of that rock is still in the ground, and I've come across a lot of it digging here in the hill. So I like to use something that'll loosen it up and put some organic matter in it. So again, it's Gardener's chicken, I gotta be careful, manure. Thanks folks, catch you on the next one. Later.